Good morning. Welcome to the hands-on session on classes and objects concepts in Python. Agenda is create the classes and objects of students and employee. Let us discuss how to create a student class with a register number, name, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4 and subject 5 are object attributes and get a total as a method to obtain the total marks of the 5 subjects. So whenever we need to create a student class, we use the keywords is the classes student and this is the doc string. This is a student class and here we need to define a constructor for the student class. For that reason we are using the init method and we are passing the parameters is the register number, name, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4 and the subject 5. These are the parameters. And what are the values we passed the parameters? Those are assigned to the attributes. For that reason, we are using the self dot register number is equal to register number, and self dot name is equal to name, and self dot subject 1 is equal to subject 1, and so on. We are allocated the subject 1 to subject 5 to the object attributes of the student class. And next one is we defined the get total method. In this get total method, we are using the returning the sum of the values of the subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4 and subject 5. Now we try to, so automatically here we created the student class and next our requirement is we need to create an object of the student class. So here we are assuming that S1 is an object of the student class and we want to create the S1 object with the register number value is 1 and the name is Kumar and the subject marks are 89, 98, 78, 95, 82. And whenever we want to create the student, so automatically S1 is a student object. Now we want to use the get total. It is the method is available is existing in the student class and it returns the sum of the marks of the 5 subjects. So here we want to display, for that reason I used the print of s1 dot get total and it simply displays the total value is the 442. That is the sum of the marks of the 89, 98, 78, 95 and 82 we get the 442. I hope you clearly understand how to create a student class. And once the class is created, how to create an object of the student. Its name is S1 with the attributes register number is 1, name is Kumar and the marks of the 5 subjects is 89, 98, 78, 95, 82. And here we discussed, I hope you understand how to use the get total method on the S1 object, that is nothing but the S1 dot get total. So already in the previous example we discussed about the student class. Now we will discuss about how to create an employee class with the employee ID, name, designation, salary or object attributes and get info as a method to display the employee name and designation. Now we will discuss about how to create an employee class with the attributes of the employee ID, name, designation and salary. So here whenever we need to define the employee class, we are using the class employee because the employee is the name of the class and here we need to define a constructor using the init method and here the parameters we passed is employee ID, name, designation and salary and those are assigned to the object attributes of the employee class. For that reason we are using the self.empid is equal to empid, self.name is equal to name, self.designation is equal to designation and self.sal is equal to sal. And now we define a method get info. Its main purpose is we want to display the name of the employee working as a which designation he is working, either he may be the professor or assistant professor or associate professor. For that reason in the get info method we use the print and here we are using the formatted print. For that reason f and it simply gives the self dot name, what is the attribute values existing on the name is simply displayed and working as a is a string constant followed by the self dot designation, it simply displays the what is the designation of the particular employee. So here we create an, first we created the class, next we create an object e1 with the parameters is the employee ID is 1 and name is Kumar and the designation is a professor and his salary is the 2 lakhs. So automatically whenever we created, automatically even employee object is created with the parameters employee ID 1, name Kumar, designation professor and salary is the 2 lakhs. Now we want to get the information of the E1 object. For that reason we are using the E1 dot get info. It simply displays Kumar working as a professor. So automatically I hope you clearly understand how to create the employee as well as the student classes, and how to create the objects and call the methods are existing on the employee object as well as the student object. Thank you for listening. Thank you.